Hey guys, Dave at Broken Block Garage, trying it this way so it's more full view. Screwing up on my video taking. Sorry, all I got is a cell phone. I have GoPros and programs. But here we are, we're getting ready to do the pistons here. I'm checking my sidewall clearance right now. I got for 12 thousandths. Good. I check it all around. Real nice and snug. Oh yeah, okay. We're doing good so far. I got a good bore on this, so I got some right as rain, as they say. And let's see. Okay, that fits perfectly. Look at that. All right, now I gotta do the next one. Let me set this over here. This is a 12. There you go. That's a 12. And the book calls for 454. Let's see, 454, and they're asking for 7. Let's see, that's a compressor ring bottom. Yep, ring end count, oil control, and 6.5 until 4.5 and 8. Okay. So we're a little bit large, but that's fine for a street engine. I'd make it a little bit tighter myself, but we're not. But we're installing the rings right now, getting them installed. This is my handy little stand I made. You guys can make one too. It's real easy. The piston doesn't move on you or nothing, and you can put on your rings one at a time. All it is simple, like this. See, I make a lot of my tools, so if you see something strange here, you can't buy it. You have to make it. And it sits right up on there, even with the rod cap on it. And it fits all pistons, you know. And just a little tool. It comes in handy. I was going to drill a hole in it and keep it permanently mounted somewhere, but it's like, that way I can pick it up and move it around. It doesn't go anywhere. It's quite stable. But steel power rings. And when I get ready to torque it, what this is a rod stretch gauge. This tells me how far, if a bolt is moving when I torque it. If it's moving too much, I will replace it. I don't care if it's brand new or not. I'll order another set and send them back as fails. But you know, we're getting down there real good, and everything's smooth as ever. Real nice and smooth. Got the cam in, the timing chain's in. Once I get the pistons in, I can dial this all in and get this. Make sure I got the gear set right. I'm going 4 degrees. And get that down to the bottom down there. All the way down so I don't nick the crank. Right there. Bottom of the cylinder. Alright. But that's what we're doing today. Make sure you clean all your cylinders. And oil them up real nice. Like this one here is already cleaned up. I haven't oiled it yet. Got all my cross hatches in there, see it? All done, ready to go. But as soon as I get that done, I can start on the rest of it and get it completed. At least the lower roller assembly, rotating assembly is proper. Parts are coming in for the Ford job. It's been waiting. Crank come in, the heads are just about done. I'm waiting for the right retainer springs to come in. They sent me the wrong ones, of course. I'll just put them in stock because I will use them somewhere else. But the plug kits came in, the rings came in, the pistons came in. I still got to scale them and weigh them, get everything blueprinted up and get the crank balanced up. But right now we're at the Mercy. I got the head's ready to go too. I took out the I don't know if I recorded this or not, for break-in purposes. Took out the 3rd spring, which is the most heaviest, you know, break-in time. After it gets running, I get my break-in in, I'll install them. But right now it only gets 1 spring for the cam break-in. That's what cams recommend, and that's what we're gonna put in there. but we're using a real nice cam here. Here you go. Yeah, you can see that right there. Real nice. Woo! But the heads are sitting here all bagged up and ready to go. And I did the same thing for a buddy of mine, Timmy. Got him all set up and everything. Hope he's enjoying that. He's probably getting due for a changeover for oil again. But we're getting there. Talk a little bit there. And don't forget, it's getting cold out, and you need to start thinking about others. And hopefully you got all your Christmas shopping done. I probably should have showed you how to do cam bearings, you know, because they have a list here when you got them. Make sure you check them, check the part numbers on them, make sure they read properly. All right, and which is the first, second, third, and then fourth and fifth. Make sure you understand what that means. That means all the way down to rank. All right, which is real simple here. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth one in the back. You know, so all right. But this is all balanced up and ready to go. As soon as I get these pistons in, everything else is sitting here waiting. I got them all waiting to be ringed. They're already cleaned. I just got to oil them up real good and for break-in, and because I always lube them up good. Those are the grams I had them at. So that way everything's ready to go. This should be a real nice little rocker for a guy. He should enjoy the hell out of it. And I tried this new spring compressor. This is an old style one here, but I tried a new one. Kind of a goofy looking thing, but it works pretty good. Put it on there, flip this handle, and it pulls the retainer in. I didn't tell you about the packaging. Oh my God, when I bought this thing, then I was told it was, you know, pretty decent tool. So I went and bought it. What did I do with it? What did I do with it? It's pretty funny, actually. Oh well. I guess I threw it away already. I didn't think it would. Everything else is around here. I don't know why I would throw that away. But let me pause this real quick and try to locate it. Well, I found it. Anyway, this is the tool here. It's an OEM tool. I think you all get a kick out of this. And let me change my glasses over. It just goes to show. First things first is before I go into this, you see this right here? Look at this. Made in China. OEM tools. Alright? I should have known better. I just picked it up because I saw it's a ring compressor for doing piston rings. Alright? Alright, so that's why I picked it up. Because guys told me it's a lot easier to work with unless you got a preformed one, which is cool. But I went and bought this, and it works much better than the old style one. But the problem was, you're going to get a kick out of this. Let me get over here so I can sit down so I can hold the film for you. Read that. Ideal for cutting heater hose, vacuum lines, fuel lines, copper wiring, and wiper hose. From 0 to 1/8. Are you kidding me? A wrinkle band compressor? Okay. That's the part number. That's correct. And so I flipped it over to make sure the instructions read right, and it says the same thing. What in the world? I do not know. It's got a lifetime warranty, and guess what? You guys are getting a phone call, because this is hilarious. It's called proofreading. I don't care either way because the tool works good. So, but this is made in, let's see, oh, they had to put another sticker on it to say when it was remade. 5/20 of 2017, huh? This is 2021. I guess that's been sitting on the shelf a while. But yeah, there it is. I'd like to know, anybody out there, have you ever cut squirter hose? You know how small that stuff is? How do you cut squirter hose with this? I'm missing it. Maybe you smart guys out there can tell me, because I think that's comical as hell. But yeah, I don't think so. Any hoot and holler. I just want to tell you guys, thanks for following along. You notice I haven't been doing any more political stuff, and all my followers left because I don't do any more political. And I don't care. I don't care. The world is going to be what it's going to be, and guys like us, we just take care of our own. That's all we can do. Stay in church. Make sure you stay in your Bible, stay in your gospel, whatever it's going to take. That's if you believe in that. That's your business. I don't prosecute anybody or judge anybody upon that. You know, I mean, if you're an atheist, we need to talk, but how do you say that? There's no atheists in foxholes? You know, so. So, anyways, have a blessed night. Have a good time. And I get more videos when I can think about it. I'm going to try a new system on some of my old cell phones, let it run, but I need to get some programs so I can speed it up, so I can shorten up the film, and maybe put a logo in. Another guy up in Milwaukee, he's got a program. He mentioned it once. I got to find out what it is so I can figure out how to use it. He makes some real cool videos, and I like watching it, especially when I don't feel good at times, and I'll be stuck in there in my office chair, you know, just full of pain, and I'll sit there and watch his videos, and he does concrete business. It's kind of cool. Victory Concrete, it's called. So if you ever get a chance to go on his page, go check it out. He's a real nice guy, you can tell, and shows a bit of his family life, which shows the character of the man, which I judge upon that, how he treats his family. So I wish you all well. Talk to you later. Later out. Bye.